अभी मेरा mstensile.py भी that file is also corrupt now.
सर एक मिनट वापस डाउनलोड कर रहा हूँ उसको.
No, we need to know what happened. So just show me the old file also. If you have downloaded, I have not posted mstensile.py at any point, right?
Yes, sir.
So then what is happening? I want to know. Don't mix it. Show me the old file only and rerun it. See, I want to see why that error is coming. So anyone else has, Ishika, have you tried the .py file?
Sir, I did not run it, sir.
सर आई ट्राइड, वो चला नहीं, तो फिर मैंने अपने से कुछ बना लिया.
So Suraj.
Yes, sir. This is that file, access symmetry existence.
Yeah. Dismiss करो.
Yes, sir.
अभी go to file and create new model database. The first option. No. अभी रन करो वापस एक्सेस सिमेट्री फाइल से. अब ये तो नया एरर है कि सेम एरर है?
सेम है सर ये.
बट लास्ट टाइम इट वाज इन लाइन नंबर 51 or something, no? Was it the same? Okay, chalo, let us see. So
Yes, sir.
there is a key error in tensile ms1. So now you stop presenting. Now let me see. But for me, it is not creating a problem. It just ran again.
मे बी सर फाइल चेंज हो गई हो या तो.
ऐसे कैसे चेंज हो गया है? अपलोड करने से? So see, I'm doing the same thing and I hope error doesn't come, but if it comes, it will be good. We can solve it. So no error is coming.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'll try, sir. Let me.
Yeah, you share your screen and then try. Don't try in the hidden mode.
Okay, sir. Sir, Abacus is opening, sir. It will take time.
स्क्रीन तो शेयर कर दो. वही है, डाउनलोड उधर ही है, उसको डबल क्लिक करो, फिर से क्लिक करो.
अच्छा, 1 सेकेंड सर.
See, it's done. Suraj, what have you done?
No, sir, same error.
No. Yeah, same error. So why this error is not coming to me? Line 50.
Sir,
अच्छा,
dot
अच्छा,
NP file is
ये same file है ना, which is there on
सर नीचे
on
लॉग
the-
फाइल्स में डॉट एनपी मिसिंग ऐसा कुछ आ रहा था जब हमने सीए में देखते हैं ना, सीए की लॉग फाइल्स में
हाँ हाँ, क्या आ रहा है उधर?
डॉट एनपी फाइल मिसिंग ऐसा कुछ आ रहा
Model
है इसका
MS file ES09.
What,
Oh,
sir?
no, wait. So, okay, so you can stop sharing. Okay, let me see what I have uploaded. This is what I have uploaded, right? So, इसको डाउनलोड करना है. डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन किधर है? तो वेब पेज आ रहा है.
ये सर ओपन इन न्यू विंडो
न्यू विंडो में ओपन
कहाँ है न्यू विंडो?
सर वो थ्री डॉट्स है ना, थ्री डॉट्स
हाँ,
राइट, ओपन इन न्यू विंडो देन डाउन.
oh, this is how it is downloaded. So, show in folder. So this is why do I not have ideally? Do I not have ideally? I have. ओपन नहीं होगा, होना चाहिए ना? क्यों? अच्छा ठीक है, इसमें तो क्या ही ओपन होगा, इसको इसमें ओपन करते हैं. And then where was the other one? That I have this one. Huh? Okay. So fine. Now let me rename it. Confusion नहीं हो. Rename classroom.py and then I open it and then I open where's the file we have. किधर है फाइल वो? होगा. So the py this one. So let us open this one. क्या हो रहा है? And where is the other one? Anyway, so this one is what I have, this one is what you have, right? So how many number of lines do we have? I have 238 and you have 238. So same number of lines. This is not good. So let me just run this one and see if that is also working. Or if it is giving me the same error what you have. So I go to downloads. Downloads this one. Well, it is not giving me any error. तुम लोगों को एरर क्यों आ रहा है ऐसा? Job has been completed successfully. लाइन 151 में इशू था ना?
150 में सर, 150 में.
150. So here also that line is there, but why it is not creating any error to me? So the error was key error tensile underscore ms, right? Or what was the error?
सर मैं अपनी लॉग फाइल्स दिखाऊं एमएस
Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay, I get it.
यस सर आपका सीडी से
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
ये
Yeah, there is an input file which is being imported, and that has not
Yes,
been
sir.
shared with you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but why are we doing this? We made this geometry, right? We made this geometry. This was to show you something, I believe. So, where are the boundary conditions? This is job. Where is boundary condition? So, it is taking tensile 1 as the instance, and then part instance, and then this is seeding. So it is seeding which instance? It is seeding part instance tensile 1, right? And so that is that. This is axis symmetric element. Here is the boundary condition, and boundary condition is applied on model 1. Okay. And so far good. So it is model 1, part is tensile, and then section and all those things are offset middle surface, and this is cylindrical coordinate system. That is good. Tensile good. So far here. Okay. So material thickness 1 reference. So this part is just because while it was getting recorded, I imported something and I wanted to show you something. Right.
यस सर
And because of that, there is this problem. So we remove this part. So line number 139 say, but ये तो model delete कर रहा है, but anyways, it is also importing, no? So that is the issue. So display object A का तो कोई जरूरत है नहीं, but what is object A? Object A किधर है? Display object is equal to A is model 1. Okay, so that is okay. एक काम करो, delete करो, line number 139 से 152 तक delete करो. इसी का तुम करो, screen share करो.
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir.
Line number 139 से 152 तक. यस, ये डिलीट कर दो और एक बैक स्पेस मारो. हाँ, अभी सेव करो इसको. सेव किया?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा, रन करो. रुको रुको, हाँ नया पहले मॉडल नया खोलो, इसमें ऑलरेडी 2 मॉडल इंपोर्टेड है. अब क्या नया एरर आ गया?
Line 223, sir.
23. Okay, go to line 223. मतलब वो कोड खोलो, इसमें ये वापस मेरा ड्राइव खोल रहा है कहीं पे. 220.
C खोल रहा है, C ड्राइव खोल रहा है आपका इसमें.
एक मिनट रुको, कहाँ पे है?
223 पे.
इंपोर्ट ओएस एंड अच्छा ठीक है, ये दोनों लाइन डिलीट करो. और ये जॉब सबमिट वाली लाइन को कमेंट करो, मतलब हैश, पुट हैश in 222. Yeah, now save it, run it.
Yes, sir.
So go to job and see if the job is created. Yeah, submit it.
Yes.
Monitor open करो, monitor पे click करो. I hope your laptop doesn't hang. So input file completed. Now it will start. Fine. All good, no? So Ishika, in the comment to the thread where I have posted that .py file,
Yes,
in
sir.
that comment you can also attach or not. If you can attach, post this file there.
Okay.
So the first error was because an input file was being imported. Second error was because I was setting the work directory before submitting the job. So those two things are machine dependent. All right. So none of you have done then the axisymmetric part and compared it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Matlab no, sir. You have not done it, right? So you could have done it in the CAE module also, no? You could have just created it.
सर
Okay.
एक्चुअली
हाँ बोलो.
रिकॉर्डिंग पिछले सेशन की नहीं आई,
हाँ?
पिछले सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं आई.
हाँ, correct. That also I have to upload. So, but you guys are good coders, so why couldn't you debug it? Ishika?
Sir, because I did not run it, sir, so that is why.
And Suraj, you ran it?
यस सर, मैंने
So
लॉग
I,
फाइल लाइक
हाँ?
इनपुट फाइल इंपोर्ट करा था, उसका एरर आ रहा था.
हाँ, तो वो डिलीट हटा देते इनपुट फाइल.
सर ये नहीं पता चल रहा कौन कौन सी लाइंस हटानी है, ये नहीं पता.
ओके, अभी कुछ समझ में आया?
यस सर, अब आ गया.
Okay, good. So then again, by Monday, you guys should be using this .py file, what Ishika will be sharing, and then run the axisymmetric model and compare it with the 2D model results we have. So the assignment remains the same. We will see it on Monday then.
So
Okay, yeah.
actually,
Yes, Pranjal.
I had created the model from the scratch, like from create part and then assembly and then I have compared the model, the stress strain code.
Share it, share it. Share your screen.
So this is the stress strain code.
Why there is too much difference? Because we had to also change we have to make the area also equivalent to what we had in 2D.
Yes,
No?
sir, I had made the area code.
So even then it is that much of a difference is there. But actually if the material is same, stress strain diagram should not have any difference, because that is independent of the material dimension.
So actually, few other people have made and they also got the same graph.
What people?
So Adam and Daniel.
Oh, you guys have also who has made this thing?
Adam
Yes, sir, I
and
have also made.
Aryaman
Yes, sir. Dhyanendra.
and
I also tried, sir. I didn't get this, but I made different graph.
so you made axisymmetric model.
Yeah,
Shahar.
accessibility different model.
Huh?
Accessibility different model.
What is different model?
Different shape. I'm trying to say.
Different shape.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen.
Is my screen visible?
Yes. ये क्या है? No, no, that is okay. But what is this? Shahar? Shahar?
Hello?
Yeah. What have you made? What is this?
Sir, actually the codes was not running. So
Yes, that we have established.
I see. So I tried something different doing with my own as a different example of axis symmetry.
FCC.
Axis symmetry, sir.
So what have you made actually? It doesn't look like a tensile sample. So what is it?
Sir, it is a tensile sample.
Okay. Show me the boundary conditions.
अरे Sir, let me give some time. I think it happened something.
What happened? No, no, it's okay. I can see the file. What happened?
सर को वो गड़बड़ हो गया.
गड़बड़ हो गया. ठीक है. So Dhyanendra has made it. Aryaman has made it. Who was it? Pranjal. तो Pranjal दिखाओ एक बार अपना मॉडल.
I'm also getting the same graph.
You are also getting the same graph. So why are we getting the different results? Can you tell me? Ashish?
Because meshing size
ना मेशिंग से इतना डिफरेंस आएगा तुमको लगता है आशीष? It is not force displacement. So what Pranjal has plotted is stress and strain. No, so stress and strain should not change. I mean, it can change, but it shouldn't change much. Pranjal, share your screen again. Pranjal?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Yeah. And now show me abacus. What is this? Why it looks in this way? It looks like there is an orange thing inside something.
Sir, I think
Sir, I think the view is different, sir, I guess.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
could be. Oh,
So the
I know
corner
what you.
Z, so the XYZ, I guess that here.
I know what you have done. What you have done is you go to fourth. So in terms of tensor, ij, yeah, just above that. Just your cursor was there somewhere, yeah, just there. And no, just there, just above it. Yeah, just stay there, don't do anything. Put the cursor there, don't do anything. Pranjal. Yeah, just let it be there. Okay. Now you have to click and leave it. So keep clicking. So not click and remove your finger. Press it for some time. Yeah. Now go to the second one. Yeah. Okay. Now do the same thing again. And this time go to the first one. First. Oh.
Yes.
So what is happening is the reference configuration and the present configuration both are being plotted one over another. Okay, fine, no issues. Now, can you show me the force displacement which you have calculated? Or do one thing, you know how to extract the data, right? So go to get stress data. So how do you get the data? Not from there. Not from there. So वहां ले जाओ cursor जहाँ पे था deformed shape.
So ये data है sir first graph का, and this is the data of the second graph. I've saved the data. It's here.
Just put the cursor there. Don't do anything. It is S22 at element number 5 centroid. So you have not calculated the stress strain in the way we calculated. You have taken
Actually,
stress
sir,
strain value from one element.
Sir, actually, I plotted the stress strain curve in this abacus only, and then there was an option to export the data of
Yeah,
stress
that
strain
is
to it.
okay. But how did we calculate the stress strain in 2D model? How did we do it? We did it by taking the forces at the plane which was under symmetry, and then we added those forces, and then we divided that force by the area. You remember?
Okay, yes.
Yeah, okay, yes, Madhav, you remember or not?
Not exactly, sir. To be honest.
Okay, so you should watch the videos where we have done the calculation for 2D element.
Okay, sir.
Right, now show me the plot. I am sure you have plotted your stress versus time, not strain.
No, sir, this is stress versus strain because I had changed. First, it plotted stress versus time, and then I had changed the x and y coordinates. There was some system I had seen that on YouTube, and then
So what is wrong here is that the element which you have selected to get the stress strain curve has not reached that stress during the deformation. So go back to your abacus file. So you see what has been plotted. You have this difference and reference in that configuration. Okay. So the same result is there with Ariman, but okay, fine. So what is happening is, if you see the legend is for von Mises stress, right? And it starts from blue, which is 0, and it goes to 600 megapascals, which is in red. I do not know why you have a line. That is actually not a line. I think that is the reference configuration. So reference configuration means the initial state. So when there was nothing happening. So at that stage, there was 0 stress. And then when everything has deformed, that deformed configuration is overlapping with your reference. So the thing is, the stress values are different at different locations. So stresses usually will be very high. Okay, so you can stop sharing.
Sir, my values are a little bit different
Of
from
course.
this, but it is still less.
Of course, I know what you have done. Now I know what you have done. Now I know. So all of you have extracted stress and strain from certain element, right?
Yes, sir, from the top edge.
Yeah, so you didn't calculate, we didn't apply this approach for calculating stress and strain in the 2D model. We didn't do it like this, no? How did we do? So you see, after deformation, it looks like this. So the red is the color here. So stress remains in this field. So from 851 to 900, right? And here where it is green, the values are different. So if you take certain element, it would have not. So if I take one element here in the green zone, that element has not reached the maximum stress value. Right. So of course that stress value is going to be different. You know what I mean? So if I take, let's say, two elements, and I take it at centroid, and I take S22, and I take strain E22, and then I select one element here, another element there, another element there. So and here. So I take three elements and I save it. So I have all those data, and then let us plot this. So I 26. So this will be plotting strain versus stress. I hope it plots in the same way. So this is element number 26. Let us see what is plotting. Yeah, plotting stress strain. Now 196. Let's go 196 कर देते हैं. Save as E196. And let us do it for third one also, 413, 413. So 413. Save as E413. And let us plot these three together. And you see there are differences. Why there are differences? Because these three elements are at different position. And the red one was in the green zone. Or no, in the green zone the stresses were less. So we selected one element there. So let us see where these elements are. Element number 26 is here. So this is the green one. Element number 26 is the red one, which is green. And in the green zone, stresses are higher at a smaller value of strain. So the stress is approaching. So for this one, stress probably is higher. The final value is higher because we are looking at one frame. So the final value is 861, and here it is 866. So that is actually higher. Why the contour is in a different way? Oh, we are looking at von Mises. That's the issue. So S22 looks like this. So if I change the lower limit to, let's say, everything was 800, no? So 750. Then here I should have higher value, and I selected two elements here, one element here, one element here. So those will have lower value. So that's why our plot looks like this. But what I wanted to share with you was, if you are selecting different elements at different locations, they will have different stress strain diagram, because not all the elements are reaching the same amount of stresses depending upon the locations they are. So this is why we didn't apply this kind of approach to just take the stress strain from one element in the 2D model. What did we do there? We took the forces, reaction forces, if you remember. So unique nodal, and then we went to reaction force 2, and we selected those nodes which were under symmetry, right? And then we added these. So let me delete all this. And these are the reaction forces. And here we sum it. Oh, we sum these reaction forces, and these reaction forces will also be negative. And we have to sum it. And what is the area? I don't remember the area of this one. So let us see what is the distance. So this and this is how much? This is approximately, I think, 3 millimeters. So 9 pi should be the area, which is 28.274. So that should be my area. So I will take the whole thing, sum of that. So -1 into sum of that, because reaction forces are in negative direction, in the opposite direction. And then I divide it by, how much is the area? 28.274. And this should be my stress. And then I want strain. So strain, I can take the lazy approach. So I will just take the displacement U2 at some node. Actually, I will take this one, which is at the center, and save. So now I have displacement and I want to calculate strain from this. So I will divide it by, so this is half displacement. So I will divide it by half of the length, which was, I think in my model it was 15 millimeters. Let us check that. So let us go to the reference configuration, and this is 15. Okay. So my strain value will be this divided by 15. Save as strain. Okay. And now what I want is to, let us take 3 points. So let me combine this. Combine stress and strain, and save as, let me call it bulk stress strain. Where is it? Plotted. And I want to see some symbols. So this is how the bulk stress strain should look like. And if can I take the value here? So my final value is 862 approximately at a strain of 0.2. Okay. So we can note it down, because otherwise it would have been better if I put this in the sheet and you can compare it. So 862 at a strain of 0.2, and let us see where yielding starts somewhere here. So this point where the slope changes is 280.7 at a strain of 2 into 10 to the minus 3, a little less than that, a little higher. No, at exactly at 2. So 280.7 at a strain of 2 into 10 to the minus 3. Right, now can we have a look at the 2D model results? Does anyone have it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it's in the sheet.
Yeah, just share your screen, Suraj, and show the 2D model stress strain diagram.
Sir, it's in the sheet you have sent us also.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So are you sharing, or should I open it?
Yes, I'm sharing.
Okay, share it. Because we don't have much time. So, Ashish, these are, I think, okay. So, fine. Suraj, you're already sharing. Okay, you can stop sharing. Suraj, let us see what happens. So, I think this is it. I'll put axis symmetric also here. And the results are strain. Oh, I can take the whole thing from here. So, copy, and then where is it? Here. This is strain. This is actually strange because the stresses are going higher. So can we also plot all these? Plot का option किधर है? Oh, why I'm doing this? I'll take the whole thing and I can put it somewhere. I can put it somewhere here. So, Sara plot is here. Let us put it in sheet 1. Control V. So this is 2D and this is axis symmetric. So now let us plot this is 2D. Oh no. Strain is going too less here. Why? Because we applied less displacement on a larger specimen. And we applied here on 15 millimeter gauge length, we applied same displacement. So a smaller specimen has stretched larger than, but we didn't stretch the 2D model so much. That is the reason that the stresses are going higher, but still there is a difference. Still, there's a difference. And this difference is too much. This difference is too much. Okay, fine. So I think
This is similar to what we got.
no. This is not similar to what you got.
Actually, sir, I tried by taking the reaction forces.
Yes, sir.
Got this result.
Yeah. Come again?
And got this result as you are saying.
Yes. Yeah. So if you take reaction forces, you will get this result. If
Sir,
you
but
take
in my case, I took the reaction forces on the other side, on the top
yeah.
edge.
Yeah.
But sir, my stresses were coming less compared to the original.
The original, meaning the 2D model.
Yes, sir, 2D model.
So 2D model in this case also, I think which one is? I think this one is 2D model. So we are also getting less. The
No, sir.
orange one is for axis symmetric.
सर मेश साइज का भी आता है किसी
नहीं
Mesh
mesh का इफेक्ट नहीं है ये. Mesh का इफेक्ट नहीं है ये. So anyways, now we are out of time. So if you can think about it, you also think about it. I will see why there are differences. Mesh की वजह से इतना difference नहीं आ सकता है. It might happen that I'm wrong, but So, but we have to find out that why this difference is coming. Okay. Because stress strain data is provided by us to Abacus and it has to follow that data. It cannot deviate from that. So maybe we are doing some calculation mistake somewhere, either that or something else is the reason. Okay, Shahars, the elemental stress strain, I just showed you. If you take 3 elements, you will have different stress strain diagram. So that is not same.
Okay.
Whatever looks similar is not similar. Okay, so then we will meet on Monday. We'll try to debug this issue and we will also do 3D modeling on Monday.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, there was also an error which was showing a warning, which is degree of freedom 6 is not active in this model and cannot be restrained. But I continued with the job. It was a warning.
Okay, so remind me of this warning on Monday
Yes, sir.
again. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right then. See you on Monday.
Thank you, sir.